Hi guys, here most of them get answer 52 for this problem in wrong order. Here 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 6 minus 2 in bracket. Here 5 plus 8 is 13 times 6 minus 2 is 4. Here 13 times 4 is 52 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 52 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority, this is a exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority, also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here, 5 plus 2 power 3 times 6 minus 2 is 4. Here the next priority is exponent. Here we have exponent. So we have to do this before this addition and multiplication. So 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 4. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 5 plus 8 times 4 is 32. Here 5 plus 32 is 37 is the correct answer.